Hi everyone, it's Heidi and I hope you're having a great day. I just got our Center Rewards order yesterday, so I thought I would just share a little bit about what we got. It's not terribly exciting, but I'll let you know what we have. There are a few fun things in here. Let's start with the supplements. First, I had to refill my Thyromin. My thyroid really likes this, so I keep getting it. And then we have the Omega Gies, which my husband really likes, so we keep getting that. This also has vitamin D in it, which is really good for this time of year, if you get what I mean. Then I did what I call the 75 factor. So if you are 75 years old or older and you want oils, I will order them for you. I'm not going to make you get on the internet and do all that kind of stuff. So these people are local. So these are some people that needed oils, and if they want oils and they're going to use them, then I'm more than happy to get them for them and sell them to them. So what I got were 3 bottles of Thieves. Thieves is great to have right now, and these ladies all knew that they needed Thieves, so they're going to get those. And then lavender oil, which I seem to order lavender and peppermint like practically every month, so got stacked up on those again too. We do use that a lot. Then I got, let's see, the rest are free. Okay, then I ordered, this is free again. Okay, I ordered grapefruit. So I ordered a couple grapefruit oils. I have some at home, but I wanted to use these. So grapefruit has some really good properties for what's going on right now. If you want to look up grapefruit oil and see even what it can do respiratory wise, that kind of thing. So we're going to use grapefruit capsules if we ever need them. And grapefruit's a great oil to have on hand. Look up pubmed.gov and grapefruit oil, and you'll find some good stuff that I can't share. You can contact me privately. So we wanted to stock up on that. And then the rest of the stuff was free. And so this is really fun. So this is Breathe Again. Breathe Again has quite a few of the eucalyptus oils in them. It is great for breathing. So it has all the Young Living puts all the things in there that we need. And the thing for Breathe Again is what's in this bottle. So we are definitely going to have that on hand too. And I have a roller ball of it, but now they're putting it in the bottles. So this was free. Then frankincense was free, which I love getting frankincense for free. They usually do it every December, and this is a large bottle, which is really valuable, and so I really like getting it for free, and we will definitely use that. It's good to have on hand. Goes along with the whole Christmas theme of gold, frankincense, and myrrh, and I'm always happy when we can get frankincense for free. The other oil that was for free this month, which this is with, if you're an Essential Rewards member, was Northern Lights Black Spruce. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. Like, so good. I love putting it in the diffuser. I love just smelling it, putting it on. It just smells so good. It's very grounding. Like, you just feel calm when you put it on. It just wakes you up. I don't know how to describe it, but it's really good. And it was funny because this year we got a real Christmas tree again, and it was a fir tree instead of a pine tree. And I was very interesting because I was like, oh, this is so soft. I was saying to the lady where we bought it, she said, yeah, the fir trees are like that. They're going to be softer. They're going to hold their needles better and then the pine trees. So that was cool, and it's really keeping up with the water really good too and everything. Usually after a few days the trees don't need water anymore because they just are dying. So it's good to have fir trees. And so I was smelling the tree that I have, the Christmas tree that we have, and it did smell like this, so like the forest. So that was fun to get free. I'll always use that, and I love having that one. And then this was one last special thing that we got from Young Living in our rewards, and I thought this was cool. And I think someone in my house is going to steal this from me and use it at work. So it's a wooden base, and then this is clay, and it says Young Living on it, of course. And so this is like a mini diffuser. And so like a lot of us have like the bracelets or have like a clay pendant that we use, you can put oils on. This you can just like sit at your desk or whatever, and you can just put oils on there, and then it will smell, and you won't. I know somebody in my house likes to open the bottles and just leave them sitting there because, oh, it's nice to get the smell. So in this case, this person can put it on here, and then they will be able to smell it without like having the bottle open and letting it evaporate out. So this was a really fun thing that I'm going to be happy to have. I've never seen anything like this before. I've seen all kinds of Young Living, or all kinds of accessories for oils, but I've never seen anything like this. So this is going to be really cool. So I hope that was informative. Hope you guys liked that. Let me know if you have any questions. What kind of things are you gifting any oils for Christmas? Do you have any good recipes that you're making up for either cooking or for like a DIY thing? I'd love to hear about them. So I hope you guys have a great day and a great season, and we'll talk to you next time.